Hello everyone, welcome back to Prelims High Yielding series for Prelims 2020 by Analog IAS, and this is the second video of the India map series, and we'll be talking about islands in this video as well. If you haven't watched the previous video, please go back and watch the Islands Part 1 series to not miss any important information for prelims. So the next island that we are talking about is the Hope Island. This island is in the state of Andhra Pradesh, very near to the famous naval base of Visakhapatnam, and it is near a town called Kakinada. So this is a small tadpole shaped island which is situated off the coast of Kakinada. It was also called Kokanada during the British era, and now it is called Kakinada. So it is a young island, a relatively younger island, which was formed in the last 200 years itself because of the depositional features exhibited by the river Godavari. So in your landforms chapter in your geomorphology, there are certain depositional landforms. So one such depositional landforms is this Hope Island. So this Hope Island protects the port of Kakinada from strong cyclones and tidal waves and acts as a buffer. So this makes Kakinada one of the most safest ports on eastern coast in India. We know that this eastern coast is subject to violent cyclones time and again, but the presence of this Hope Island protects this port. That is the most important point you have to note. So a brief summary: this is in the state of Andhra Pradesh, near the coast of Kakinada. It is a relatively young island formed because of the waters of Godavari, not Krishna. Please note this point. And because of the presence of this island, Kakinada is protected. These are the important points for prelims. The next island is the famous Sriharikota Island, which is near the town of Nellore in India. So this is again in Andhra Pradesh, and it is very near to the city of Chennai as well. So it is at the sea margin of the famous Pulicat Lake. Is this Pulicat Lake a Ramsar site or not? Please comment in the comment section. So this has the famous rocket launching station. Now if we looked at the previous video, we also talked about Wheeler Island, which is a famous missile testing center. So many aspirants get confused between this Wheeler Island, where missile testing happens, and a rocket launching station where rockets and satellites are launched from Sriharikota. So please note this point, and it is a barrier island that separates the Pulicat Lake from the Bay of Bengal. So this is connected to Chennai by various expressways. That is the important point that you have to note. The next island is the famous Narkondam Island, which is very near to Myanmar, and therefore it is very important strategically. So this proximity to Myanmar lends it a great geopolitical significance in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So this is present in Andaman Sea, east of this main set of islands. Another important point that you have to note here is there is a dormant volcano with a conical shape which is present in this island. These are the important points that you have to note. Let us try to solve this question. Wheeler Island protects the port of Kakinada from strong cyclones, tidal waves and tsunamis. This is not Wheeler Island, this is Hope Island, as already discussed in the video. Wheeler Island is in Odisha. This Hope Island is in Andhra Pradesh. So Hope Island is a small tadpole shaped island situated off the coast of Kakinada. This statement is right. So answer is 2 only. With respect to this Ganga Sagar Island, if you haven't watched the previous video, please go back to that and please have a look at the information to answer this question. After watching that video, please come back and answer this question. Please post your answers in the comment section below. That's it for this video. Thank you.